Welcome to On Tilt Trading. I am currently long in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I have trading starting top down. Here on the daily chart, we can see Bitcoin has been delivering to the sell side here. So Bitcoin in a downtrend. That's all we need from the daily right now. Next, we'll come here to the 1 hour chart. Yesterday, which is going to be from this orange line to this orange line, everything in between, this is yesterday. So with yesterday, I was able to catch a short trade and cover on the way down inside of this fair value gap, but this was more related to the price action further over here to the left. So when I was able to take this entry, this was the sell side liquidity I was targeting here. And then into today, we can see price action here in the Asian session start to deliver. This is the New York PM, the New York 12 a.m. midnight dividing timeline right here. We can see from that price action, price delivers to the sell side here. This is the London session. And we can see price sets the high and low within this first candle of the London session here. And then price trades inside of this range, all this internal liquidity here. And then price in this candle here wicks this London low. So this had me looking for a long position in this following candle, but nothing set up, so no trade. Then we have the New York PM session right here. Here in the New York PM session, or following the New York PM session, we get this price action right here. We get this wick above the New York AM session. But in the following candle, before I could take an entry, we get price to deliver down here, which to me, from a point of premium and discount, where premium would be here for price and let's say discount would be here for price, with this here, this has gone past the equilibrium level here and would be or at least this went past the equilibrium level before I was able to obtain an entry. So I left this position as well. Then we get this price action here. This is the New York PM session. Here in the New York PM session, or just after the New York PM session, we get this candle here which closes above the New York PM session. This triggers a potential long trade for me. If I'm seeing confirmations, as I mentioned, this potential trade here, this reversal, and this reversal here, I never got confirmations on the 5-minute time frame, so I never took these positions for different reasons. For this one, never got or to me, this one never set up properly. This one never set up properly. I think I quickly just mentioned the reasons why. But this one here actually did set up properly. Here's an entry here on the 60, even though it's within the green candle, so it's not highly visible. But you can see the entry price here at 84,947.4. And then if we come here to the 5-minute chart, we'll come into more detail. As you can see, over the course of the day, with this price action delivering to the sell side, with this wick here that wicked below and swept the sell side liquidity below the London session, price action traded to the buy side, consolidated, then traded to the buy side, consolidated, and has now been consolidating in this area. But what I'm seeing here is higher lows here. Seeing these higher lows, so seeing the potential for price action to want to deliver higher. And we can see the same price action here on the 5-minute where price has been stair-stepping to the buy side here over the course of the trading day, following sweeping out the sell side liquidity below this level here, which was set during the London session. For my entry, following this price action here on the 1 hour chart with the body candle close above the New York PM high, with that price action here, or let's say this candle and the following candles here, that price action is contained here. So within this area, we get price action to deliver and close above the New York PM session, which happens in this candle here. So this would be the New York PM session over here, high, and then this area here closes above that. You get it in this candle here. With that, waiting for the following candle to be able to get an entry. You can see price pulls back here. So that's this price action right here. So this fractal area of candles here on the 5 minute is equivalent to this area here on the 60 minute. So this 160 minute candle would be the equivalent of these candles. So after creating the candle closure, the 60 minute candle closure above the New York PM session, price action delivers to the sell side here, and then price action redelivers to the buy side. And at this level here, there's a market structure shift here to the buy side, with this candle here closing above this candle. So that would show some intention for price to deliver further to the buy side after it delivered to the sell side in this price leg. So with this buy side delivery and this market structure shift, then you get this price action here with this candle closing above this candle, which would be a break of structure. So this would show a potential willingness for price to continue, or confirmation of a potential reversal. And even within that, we get this price action here, which would be another break of structure, showing further intention for buy side delivery. And then you get this price action here. Let's take that back. Where price closes above this level here. Another break of structure up here. What sends this price back lower is price trades above this level here, sweeping out the buy side liquidity here, but failed to close above this level. So seeing some retracement back deeper into this area, which I took the entry based off of the market structure shift level here, where price action has pulled back into this area here, which is going to be a buy side imbalance, sell side inefficiency, or a bullish fair value gap that price has pulled back into. And now I would want to see price redeliver here to the buy side. For my tickets for today, this is my only trade for today. This is today. You can see this 1730 buy 0.009 BTC at 84,947.4. And then my stop loss for this trade, we'll look here on the 5 minute. You can see the stop loss for this trade is 83,972.8. So this covers the distance of the spread, with this here being the low. And then for a profit target, targeting this level, 88,179, which is the buy side liquidity resting above this swing high here. move the charts over so you can see this more clearly. So this is within yesterday's price action. Looking to target, so there's buy side liquidity here, buy side liquidity here. And when I'm saying here, this is New York, or this is the sweep of the New York AM session, but that was just swept out here. What's remaining is the London session buy side liquidity. There's buy side liquidity resting here within this bearish fair value gap. There's also buy side liquidity resting here, which is above the Asian session from yesterday. And then this level here that I have targeted, which is the sweep, or at least the body candle close above yesterday's New York PM session. And overall, this trade, if it were to work out, would be a 3.25 to 1 reward to risk ratio trade, if I recall correctly. If you'd like to know more, visit us at OneTilt Trade.